President Muhammadu Buhari has asked Nigerians to forgive him. Please, before I say anything, watch this video. Just watch this video and hear what President Muhammadu Buhari has said.
Whoever thought that there has been some form of injustice on him, we are all humans. There is no doubt I hurt some people and I wish they would pardon me. And those that think that I have hurt them so much, please pardon me. I thank you very much.
So you have heard the president. You have heard what the president has said. He has asked Nigerians to forgive him. He knows that, he's saying that he knows that some people are not happy with him. So he has asked Nigerians to forgive. You know, there is a saying that says, to err is human, and to forgive is divine. I know some people are here that will say, no, I don't forgive. I don't forgive. I know some people, their heart is very, very black. They don't want to forgive. But if you ask me, I don't know, but if you ask me, I will say, well, let's forgive the man. But the only thing that is paining me with Buhari is that you did not even admit in the first place that you are wrong. So why are you not apologizing when you say you are not wrong? Because what he said is that he is not wrong. He 8 years, he deliver, he did everything. He do road, he give, he was just taking. Even the people in his cabinet are saying he's the best president. So if he is the best, why are you telling us sorry, Kuma? Why are you not apologizing? Also, if you say you have done well, because the 8 years, the cabinet are saying, he did well more than any president, that we will miss Buhari when Buhari has gone. That's what they said. But now the president is saying that he is thanking us for tolerating him. La ilaha illallah. President Muhammadu Buhari said that he is thanking us Nigerians for tolerating him. That when he's gone, after he hand over May 29, that he will be far away from us. Buhari, who even tell you we want you close? Who even tell you that we want to be seeing you? That Allah, please, for that one. After you hand over, just go far. We don't even near. We don't want to see you. That is all. Yes. You don't even need to tell us that you'll be far from us. We want you far. Yes. And then, I don't know, you that is watching this video, take your time, watch this video. Think if you are ready to forgive the president. He's human. Comment, share this video so that, because I know some of us did not even know that Buhari has apologized. So now for them to know, and they have to see this video. So share this video, share it so that everybody can see, and let's know how many people will even forgive the president. You know, I don't have sense. Like I always say, my name is Malan Shaibu. I'm the Spice creator. Google me if you like, don't Google me. But don't forget to share this video so that Nigerians can see it and forgive the president. For me, Muhammadu Buhari, I have forgiven you. Yes, but I don't know about others. So if you know you have forgiven the president, comment, I forgive you in the comment section. Thank you very much.